Hi, this is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about my favorite rocket stocks right now. Now you can see the S&P has been bouncing off the 200-day moving average line, but there is remarkable strength in this market, and there's a good chance we do continue higher. So I want to give you some stocks that if we do continue higher, I expect these stocks to outperform. And again, this is not an investment recommendation. Be sure to do your own due diligence. Now, the last few weeks we've been talking about the enterprise software stocks, in particular Twilio, which has continued to perform really well, as well as Okta. So Twilio's TWLO, Okta, OKTA. These are enterprise software stocks. Workday is another one, WDAY. You can see all these have just fantastic charts. They're trading near their 52-week highs. The 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average, and the price of the stock is above the 50-day moving average. And then the last one in this list of enterprise software stocks is HubSpot, HUBS. And you can see all these have very similar charts, and they've been gapping down the last few days, but then they recover by the end of the day. And so I'd expect these stocks to outperform as rocket stocks. Next one on our list that I've been looking at is Splunk, SPLK. This is a big data company, and I'm definitely bullish on big data. The next one is a chip stock. It's nice to see some strength in chip stocks. That's encouraging for the overall market. There can be a bit of a leading indicator. Xilinx, XLNX. It's been quite strong lately after gapping up on earnings. Then I've got a couple quirky stocks here. Alarm.com, which is ALRM. This is, as you'd expect, home and business security, alarm systems. Again, very amazing chart. This stock, like the other ones, pulled back not very much in the sell-off in November and December. Really held well, and then has pushed to new highs as the market has recovered. So ALRM is another one. And then I've got two internet security stocks, or cybersecurity stocks. The first one is Cyber, CYBR, CyberArk Software. Again, a very, very good-looking chart. You can see we have had days where it's sold off, like right here, and it's managed to recover by the end of the day, putting in some nice bottoming formations. So CYBR is one cybersecurity stock I like. And then Zscaler, ZS. This one has a similar chart, and it's just been holding really well, trading very close to new highs. And then the last stock I have here is a company a medical devices company that actually makes a sleep apnea machine. The ticker is INSP, Inspire Medical Systems. This one, with the aging demographic, this might be a very good long-term holding. It's also behaving quite like a rocket stock right now, just trading really, really, really strong. If you've listened this far and would like to learn more about these different trading strategies, I encourage you to check out my course, Learn to Trade Stocks Like a Pro, which is available at trader.university. And I'll put a link in the description notes below. And if you join Trader University, not only do you get access to this course, but you get access to all of the courses that I have available there, including Real Estate Investing Made Easy, Learn to Trade Futures. I have a course on covered calls, a course on swing trading with options, etc. So I encourage you to check that out. Go to the link below. You'll be taken right here to this join link. And then if you scroll down, just click Get It Now, and you'll see the charge here is $125 for 30 days. But today I'm going to run a special YouTube special, and I want to give you guys $26 off. So if you just scroll down here when you're checking out and type where it says have a coupon code, and right here just type in YouTube 2019. Click update, and you'll see you can get this for $99 for 30 days. It's a monthly subscription. It's a little bit like tuition at a university, though much lower. So I encourage you to check out the courses if you like what I do, and learn more about rocket stocks, how to trade momentum stocks, etc. And as a member of Trader University, if you have any ideas for lectures that you'd like me to record, I'm constantly adding to the site. So be sure to check that out in the link in the description notes below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the notes below. Thanks a lot for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.